Now, the elevator pitch, it has to tap into the reticular activating system in the brainstem. Have you ever heard of the RAS, the RAS?
No.
Tricia, you've thought about a car you want, and every magazine you pick up, every time you go on the internet, everywhere you drive, you see that car.
Okay, yeah, I have heard of this. Okay, now I know what you're talking about. Yes.
Yeah, that's a reticular activating. It's happened to everyone. Here's the thing, Tricia. When you thought about the gray BMW and you went outside because you think about buying one and you see 30 of them that day, I want to explain to you, they were always there.
Yeah.
You and I are old enough to know this. Back in the day, we had a radio with an antenna. This antenna is a reticular activating system in the brainstem, and it can be programmed. We're going somewhere with this, Tricia, because without this, millions in your business are not going to come your way. You have got to learn the reticular activating system. So this pen is an antenna.
I'm getting it.
It's vibrating at a resonance that it attracts what it needs to grow. Do you see how we're going to build your referral network? To program the mind of the people you meet to resonate with what Tricia needs.